Hello everyone, I am Sandeep Dubey, Director, Paramount Institute and Dr. English app. Today I am going to talk about the year, the new year, 2021, and of course the resolution. The resolution that you must take to bring some positive changes in your life. Here we go. The year 2020 has been one of the most challenging year ever, isn't it? And the worst thing is that we lost our near and dear ones. We lost our jobs. Many dreams shattered. But what next? What next? A lesson? A lesson or regret for life? Of course, a lesson. A lesson. Guys, the show must go on. Life should not stop. Life should not stop. This is the best time to reinvent yourself. This is the best time to shape up yourself. This is the best time to reform yourself. And therefore I have come with 3 tips with you. If you follow these 3 tips, you will have miraculous changes in your life. Watch the video till end and you will get some tips to change your life. Look, you just need to take care of 3 things. Just 3 things. Tan, man and dhan. I mean body, mind and finance. Yes, as simple as that. Body, mind and finance. Guys, it is very well said that agar jaan hai to jahan hai. Life is paramount. Life is paramount. Health is paramount. Health is most important thing. So first of all, let's start talking about body. Let's start talking about health. Let me tell you some tips to be healthy. The first tip I would like to give you is sweat. Sweat. Sweat as much as possible. 1 hour daily. 1 hour daily. You need to do anything you can like. Anything you want to do. Anything you want to do. You run, you jog, you dance, you do Zumba, whatever you can. You do whatever it takes to be healthy, right? And I tell you, it will bring all the positivity in your life. It will remove all the toxins from your body and you will be a very decisive man. You will have power to take decisions. Start with this. Start sweating daily. Run. Do whatever. Personally, I like running. I like jogging. I run for about 30 minutes daily, 45 minutes daily. And let me tell you, it really brings me a lot of positivity. Hey, the year is changing. Are you? Are you changing or not? Guys, the second tip is healthy food and lots of water. You may well say, sir, I know it. But are you really following it? Actually, let me tell you. Stop eating junk food. You know why you call it junk food? Because it is really junk. Fast food is junk. Stop eating it. Actually, you are not eating it. It is eating you. Go and ask any successful person. A very good diet, a healthy diet is one of his secrets. Guys, you need to stop junk food. Eat fresh and look fresh. Very simple theory. Eat fresh and look fresh. Eat homemade food and drink pure water, nice water. And see, there will be positivity in your body and you will feel better. Do you want glowy skin? Do you want glow on your skin? Do you want a sharp mind? Of course you want. If you really want, have a beauty sleep. Sleep properly. Have minimum 7 hours sleep daily. 7 hours sleep. The best time is 11 to 6. This is my personal choice. You may choose yours, but sleep properly. Now let's talk about the second point, and that's your mind. That's your mind. Guys, it is very well said that a healthy mind lives in a healthy body. Certainly, it does. But you need to do certain things to take care of your mental health as well. Actually, your mind is like a garden. Listen to me carefully. Your mind is like a garden and you are the gardener. If you don't plant flowery or fruit trees, the weed will grow itself. Similarly, if you don't plant positivity, if you don't surround yourself with positive people, positive situations, positive circumstances, positive thoughts, negativity will surely creep into your mind. So you need to understand that you need to surround yourself with positive people, positive thoughts, people who nurture your spirit, people who encourage you to do great things in life, people who encourage you to remain happy and optimistic in life. If you can't have them in your family, if you can't have them, listen to them, read them. Look, someone's speech can make you or mar you. Hence, I want to say that you need to surround yourself with positive people. Stay with positive people. If the food is for your physical health, information is for your mental health. Understand it. Information is for your mental health, and learn to feed your mind with good news, with positive news, especially first half of the day. Guys, it is very important. It's especially first half of the day. You may well ask, sir, shouldn't I read the newspaper? Shouldn't I listen to the news? Not necessary. You may do in the evening. Or else, learn to develop a filter here. Have a filter here. Read negative news, take a lesson and delete it. And keep positive news. Share it with as many as people possible. Keep positive news. Develop this habit. Start your day. Give yourself a very nice start, right? Don't shout in anger. Listen to me carefully. Don't shout in anger. Develop this habit. You don't have to shout in anger, right? Don't complain all the time. Simply in the morning say to yourself, I will not shout in anger, I will not complain, especially first half of the day. Guys, do this, follow this, and you will see a miraculous change in your life, in your family, in your community, and thereby in your society. Mind it. You are listening to it. You are listening to this video. That means you are alive. Hey guys, good news. You are not affected by COVID-19. No corona. अरे कोरोना आपका कुछ नहीं बिगाड़ सकता तो दुनिया में कौन क्या आपका बिगाड़ लेगा. Guys, you must be happy. You must be grateful that you are alive. Look, actually I want you to learn to be grateful. I want you to be thankful. Every day in the morning, thank God for this day, for this wonderful day, right? You are listening to me, you can understand me, that means you are far better than those million people living in pathetic condition. There are so many people, they are living in miserable condition. You have clothes to wear, you have eyes to see, you have hands to work. Guys, you have all power, you have all strength, you have all potential. You need to utilize it. Learn to utilize your strength. Don't feel undermined, don't feel underestimated. No. Get up, pull up your socks, get ready, move ahead. One more thing I want to share with you is help the needy. Learn to help the needy, When you help the poor people, when you help the needy people, you feel blessed. You have that sense of bliss. You really feel blessed. Give in charity, help the people, and you will see that your mind is full of happiness. Mind is full of positivity. Third and the last point of the day, finance. Guys, finance, money, are directly related to the skill set. Skills. If you have skills, you have money. In today's golden era, earning is not a rocket science. It's not that tough. It's much easier than before. You can do it easily. Just master a skill and money is all yours. You don't have to bother. Just master a skill this year. Guys, some people are very much after money. They want money. They are hell after money. They have money, but rest of the part of their life is rotten. Hell. What is the use of such money? Guys, I know that money is important. Money is a medium to fulfill your requirements. Money is a medium to fulfill your needs. It's not the destination. Earn money, indeed earn money. But more than that, earn happiness. Joke, have fun, meet with people, go social. Guys, life is all about people. Have fun. Money can be earned. Just one skill this year. I will suggest you follow your passion. You follow what you really enjoy. Something that really makes you happy. You know, when you turn your passion into your profession, you enjoy your whole life, right? Find it. You may take some time, but follow your passion as your profession. So, guys, this is my feeling this year for you, my wishes, my well wishes for you, that you grow, you glow and shine. And that's why I have prepared this video for you. Guys, I hope you have learned some things, some points from this video. If you have really learned any one point, please do comment and tell me below that this was the point I really enjoyed the most. I am waiting for you. If you comment, I will feel respected. Before I leave, I want to wish you again a very happy new year, guys. And please don't forget to share and subscribe the channel. Ta-da!